In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align in Webflow quickly and efficiently. Whether you're working with basic elements, diving into the complexities of Flexbox, or arranging text, the right alignment can transform your design into a more cohesive and visually appealing layout. Let's get started by logging into your Webflow account. First, navigate to your Webflow dashboard. This is your main hub where all your projects reside, providing you with easy access to start editing. Once you're on your dashboard, locate the project that you want to align elements within. Click on it, and it'll take you to the Webflow Designer, which is where all the magic happens. For those of you interested in using Flexbox for alignment, select the element you wish to align. Head over to the Style panel, found conveniently on the right side of your Webflow Designer. This area is your toolkit for styles and layout management. In the Layout section, change the display property of your selected element to Flex. This activates the Flexbox model, enabling a range of alignment options. Now let's talk about vertical alignment. You'll want to use the Align Items property. This feature is essential for positioning the element within its container in a vertical manner. If your goal is to center the element vertically, you'll simply select the middle cell in the Align box. Pretty straightforward, right? Now shifting to horizontal alignment, we use the Justify Content property. This operates similarly to the vertical alignment. To center an element horizontally, simply choose the middle cell within the Align box. With Flexbox, you now have your elements precisely where you need them, both vertically and horizontally. If your design requires more grid-like precision, don't worry. Webflow's grid system is here to help. Choose the element you hope to align and once again, head over to the Style panel. In the Layout section, alter the display property to Grid. This change opens up alignment options similar to Flexbox, such as Justify Items for horizontal alignment and Align Items for vertical positioning within grid cells. As for aligning text, there's a simple and intuitive approach within Webflow. Select any text element you need to align. Again, proceed to the Style panel on the right. Within the Typography section, you'll uncover various horizontal alignment options like left, center, right, or justify. Choose the option that best fits your design needs. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to aligning elements in Webflow using Flexbox, Grid, and straightforward text alignment. By following these guidelines, you'll be able to ensure your web pages are organized, visually pleasing, and professionally arranged. This will not only enhance your UI design skills, but also improve the user experience of your projects. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!